front view in the neighborhood. It's tucked away, like the neighborhood there, not too far over building. You can kind of see there, it looks like they're building new houses. Okay, so I just walked in the back door. That's where they had me enter. And here's the kitchen area. We got all the cabinets open. They're winterized. But actually the cabinets don't look in bad shape. The countertops don't look in bad shape. This would need to be repaired. Probably a new cooktop there. The odor of the house is not bad. The seller's disclosure mentioned, or not disclosure, they don't have one. The house needs a new roof. I'm not seeing anywhere so far that there's leaks. I kind of like the layout, the open kitchen into it's a big house, into a big living room area. The floors are stripped. It would definitely need paint and carpet, or I would go with wood laminate, faux wood, and paint for sure. It's a big second living area here, dining room, office. Here's an office. There's going to need to be blinds. Here's a half bath. Again, that doesn't look in bad shape. Good sized laundry room. 2-car garage. 2-car garage. Here's the master bedroom. Really big master bedroom. Window would need to be fixed. That's not a big deal. There's a door there. Good size master. Here's the master bath. Countertops, everything looks fine to me. The mirrors. Nothing really there. I kind of like it. Actually looks pretty decent. Toilet there. Good size walk-in closet here. Go ahead and head upstairs. Some door problems there. That's the kind of little stuff I'm seeing. All the carpet, everything's stripped. Heading upstairs, here's a hole. That's not a big deal either. Here's a living room area. Again, I'm not seeing any kind of water damage. I'm not smelling any kind of water damage either, which I usually look for if they say it needs a new roof. Let's go here first. So this looks like could be a room, but to me it's probably more of the entertainment area. And this would need to be painted, some patch-up work. Here's bedroom 2. And they got some holes that need to be patched up. Bedroom 2 connects to bedroom 3 with a Jack and Jill. All the flooring, the tile that's left is all in good shape. The tile in the tub looks good to me. This is all good. There's bedroom 3. Again, just got a lot of holes in the wall. And bedroom 4 and 5 are all good sized rooms. I mean, the house is almost 4,000 square feet, so you're gonna have some good sized rooms. Again, I don't see any kind of leaks coming down from the roof, so if it needs a new roof, it's just got to be on the outside. It's not really doing anything to the inside yet. Here's bedroom 5. Nice high ceilings on this side of the house. And actually like the layout of the house. Fix this thing up, it'll look really nice. You go to the back and it's got a fireplace here. Nice. Let me head to the back. It's got a cement base, or I'm not a real fan of that, but we're gonna need some fencing. For the most part, the fence is okay. That could just be patched up. That side's fine. Overall, considering that, besides the work, I think house doesn't seem to be in bad shape at all. Just a lot of cosmetic work. Structurally, everything looks good.